Welcome to Short and Crisp Algo Trading training from Market Secrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description section of this video to join the ATP program. In this episode, we are going to see something that a lot of users had requested. So the ask here is how to update a stop loss order into a limit order. So from the UI, you can create an order. So let's go to the UI, for example, right? So you can go to the UI and you can create a stop loss order. So you can, buy a create a stop loss limit order. So if the price goes 951, 591, it goes above 951, you can initiate a buy at 595. So you can place such a stop loss buy order. So I have placed it, and if needed you can change it. Okay, you can change this order into a limit order, right? If you want, you can change it to a limit order. So this, switching between, stop loss orders and, limit orders can be done easily from the application. And, if you want to trade, right, generally, so you can place stop losses, and sometimes you place stop losses, sometimes you place, targets. So if you want to switch between these two, this editing the order is very critical. So that is why a lot of people, I think, had requested, how to update, the stop loss order into a limit order. Okay, so from the script side, so let's see how to do that. Okay, so jumping back to the script, so first let's create an order. So my order equal to my client dot place order of, so there are a lot of things, right? Order type, buy, and instrument token 1900. Transaction type, it's going to be a buy, and quantity is 1, price is 595. We are placing a stop loss order, right? 595. And what else we have? Disclosed quantity can be 0, and trigger price can be 0 as well, and tag can be string, and validity can be good for day, and variety can be regular. So this is how you generally place a stop loss order. Only thing is you need to change the trigger price. Okay, so 591. So this is how you place an order, and now have everything right. 595, trigger price is 591 50. So let me run it. You should be able to get the order placed from the script side. I think there is some error. I think it's not buy rate, it's normal order, sorry. So yeah, my fault. Fine. So now the order should have been placed. So let's go back to the UI and check. Yeah, now there is another order placed. So this one we placed earlier through UI, this one through script. Now let's update it. Okay, so for the simplicity, I'm taking the order ID from here. I explained in the earlier episode how to take the order ID, so I can refer the same if you want to take the order ID from the script directly. So I'm using modify order, and I'm going to pass this order ID, and price can be 550. That's the new price. I'm going to make it a limit order, right? And quantity can be 1, and disclosed quantity can be 0, and trigger price can be 0 as well, and validity can be GFT. So I'm just updating the same order now. So I placed this in an earlier order, so I'm commenting it. So now I'm updating that order through the script into a limit order. Okay. Okay. There's some error. Okay. Okay, some request parameter error. I will put it in double quotes. Yeah, I think my fault again. Yeah, so it is done now. So let's refresh it. And if you see the order, yeah, it's now updated to 550. So a stop loss order is now converted into the limit order. So this is how you need to update your orders, so from stop loss order to limit order and vice versa. So if you pass the right values, order type will automatically change in the UI side. Okay, so everything is playing with these values in the right way. So if you do that, you will get the right type of order set in the UI. So I hope this session was useful. If you have any queries or comments, let us know in the comment section. Also hit the like, share and subscribe button if you find these videos useful. Thank you.